Hi everyone, I am Asim. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I would like to discuss about cause and effect diagram. Let's start the video. Cause and effect diagram, one of the 7QC tools. This diagram identify the problems. Okay, now here cause and effect diagram is also called Ishikawa diagram because it was developed by Professor Kaoru Ishikawa in 1960, but it was published in 1990. Okay, and also called Fishbone diagram because it's look like a fish. Here causal effect diagram present the cause of proof diagram. This diagram examined by something happened or might happen, organize the potential causes. So basically it is a visual tool to identify the potential causes by following some process like 4M, and we can also follow here 6M if we want to analyze the problem deeply. 4M and 6M, that means man, machine, method, material, measurement and mother nature or environment. These all are process to follow the identify of causes. Let's see the diagram, how it is look like. You can see diagram here, and here mentioned type of causes like machine, man, method and material causes. Okay, then how to identify and for what reason it's happened, this kind of causes. Let's see here. First of all, man causes. What type of man causes can be happened? For example, lack of experience operator, unskilled operator, unawareness and operator negligence. So these all are one type of man causes. Okay, then machine causes. If you use any machine for assembling or producing product, so we need to identify machine causes here. Okay, for example, incorrect machine speed, incorrect machine feedback. So these are machine causes. Okay, then material causes. Okay, incorrect material specification, improper material hardness, wrong material use as per the standard. So these all are material causes. Okay, then mother nature or environment causes. So when we work, we need to check environment or mother nature as per required. So here we can say humidity or temperature can be one type of causes. Okay, then measurement causes. So here instrument not calibrated, wrong instrument use. So these are measurement causes. And last, method causes. So here we can say wrong SOP, wrong drawing and wrong techniques. So these all are method causes. Okay. Now I mention here this all type of basic causes depend on your effect and problem you should identify. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.